Digging deeper into 4 arrests tied to a now closed cosmetic surgery center on the Treasure Coast. Allegations of botched surgeries led to charges of racketeering. WPTV's John Shaman seeking answers on how the investigation unfolded and what recent changes are being made in state law to keep you safe.
It's a horrible feeling that someone can do that to our people in this community.
I spoke with plastic surgeon Dr. Greg DeLange this week, who saw some of the victims after their initial work at the now closed Cosmetica plastic surgery in Port St. Lucie.
What I do takes 10, 15 years of training. These people were going without any official training whatsoever, and they were continuing for a long time until the state shut them down.
Port St. Lucie police say right now they have 4 victims from what started out as a legitimate business with a doctor. But investigators say staff ended up taking over at Cosmetica and performed procedures without the doctor's knowledge. And that one man, Adley De Silva, was performing surgery but was only a physician's assistant. With the initial complaints filed in 2022 and Cosmetica shut down in 2023, I spoke with Port St. Lucie's police chief about why it took until 2024 to make arrests in this case.
These cases, though, do take some time because you have to track some victims down. You have to get victim cooperation. A lot of time there's shame involved, especially if something was botched. And you got to do a lot of subpoenas. You got to track, like I said, victims, witnesses down, make sure you're doing thorough interviews. There's a lot of HIPAA issues that you have to go through. And then the Department of Health's doing all their things with the medical licenses administratively on their side.
Chief Del Toro said he hasn't seen an uptick in these type of cases, but was glad the facility was shut down last year because based on his experience, he believes there are likely more victims out there.
Surgery is it's an important process. It has risks and it has benefits.
Dr. Donato Vigiano says it's important for patients who want a plastic surgeon to make sure that's who they're dealing with. In 2023, state lawmakers passed a bill mandating the use of ultrasound guidance during Brazilian butt lift procedures. This year, the governor signed into law a bill where surgical offices that perform gluteal fat grafting procedures have to establish financial responsibility.
In the state of Florida, any surgeon can do any procedure in their office. Now, I think that's unfortunate.
Adley De Silva bonded out Tuesday. We went by his last listed address in Stewart, but no one came to the door. John Shaman, WPTV, News Channel 5.